Today I am going to tell you how to make 4-petal flower with cat's cradle. So let's begin. You have to take the string like this and you have to double it. Now take it on your thumbs and take the farther thumb string from your little fingers. So now you have to twice double it like this. Now take your pointer fingers on your both palm strings. Now it will look like this. Now over the two strings that are nearer and farther pointer finger strings, and take the third string that is nearest little finger string. It will look like this. Now take your lower thumb string to the palm side on both hands like this and stretch it very tightly. Now release your little finger strings like this and slowly take it and stretch it very tightly like this. Now it will be done your 4 petals, but you have to do one thing. Take this and leave it on any surface. Now stretch it like this. And now your 4 petals flower figure is ready. So like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.